G'day guys, welcome back to another video today. Might be a bit of a different video, but we are making, or I am putting together a very awesome quad wall to hang my drones on in my room. So it's going to be exciting, and let's run through the details. Okay, so about this time last year I set up some LEDs in my room. They look very cool, and well, they're still working, and I'm going to put some quads along the top strip of the wall. I've got a bit of wood. I'm not sure actually the dimensions, but it's kind of like a bit of it's like door frame kind of thing. I put that across the top, screwed it in to behind the wall into the wood, and all I'm gonna have to do now, I think these are the nails that I'm putting in. What the hell has happened to this nail? I don't know what's happened to it, but anyway, so we're going to hammer in some nails. I'm going to cover them up with heat shrink because I don't like the idea of the carbon arms on the metal nails, and then we're going to do a bit of customization, and then at the end I'll show you what it looks like, which is going to hopefully be so awesome. I've got 3 quads, or maybe 4, a little whoop to hang up. I've got 3 main quads to hang up, and which all of them are almost working. The third one is my God mode, and I'm just having a few VTX problems. This should be enough nails. Okay, this wall, I've done everything to it. It's looking so awesome. I think it's time for a bit of a B-roll segment, or an attempt at a B-roll segment. So okay, so there's something that I really want to do, and I think this is kind of different to what some other people have done with their quad walls, but I want to make it in a way of a story, because like everyone has their drone stories and how they started off and everything. I want to remember that and keep that there. So what I'm going to try and do is get little bits of paper or something. I'll find something with a little tag on it, and I'll name the quad. So this one's the Kebab 5. I found out about it from a Sam Shepard YouTube video. I first got into I first heard about these racing drones and thought they were amazing through Rotor Riot and actually watching their Guns vs Drones video. I already knew about drones and I was quite interested in them already. I already had a Phantom, but then when I heard about Guns vs Drones, I was like, wow, this is a new level of drones. I didn't know that they could go this fast. And then Fury happened about a year later, and that was exciting, kind of, because I had some problems though, so it wasn't so great all the time. And then I've got the God mode up the back here, which I recently got a few months ago, like a month ago or something. That's such a cool quad, and it's actually really nice. It's kind of a racing one, more like it. Like, I know they're all kind of specified or classified as racing drones, but this one is actually, I built it to race or to fly in races just because it's quite light compared to Fury B or the Kebab 5. So I'm going to do that, and yeah.